I am playing Ray Fione, concept grease monkey punk. I'm the engineer on the ship. I have the traits, hear me baby, hold together, and when you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail, and the right tools for the right job. And as my special ability for duty as engineer, I may ignore a single round of rising tension on any mechanical test.
My name is Chad. I'm playing Elias Starhart, the security officer for the ship. And my traits are that I would appear weak when I am strong, and strong when I am weak. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry, and time's up. Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins!
Out a token, a Doom token, for each player at the table. We have 5 today, so we have 5 Doom tokens. These are going to count down, so each time we reshuffle the survival deck, we're going to remove a Doom token. If we remove the last Doom token, you are all dead and you have lost the game. Now, to set up the crises on the ship, we've shuffled the deck, we've pulled out the jokers. We're going to flip over the top card of the survival deck. This card stays out of the deck until it is resolved. Queen of Hearts, that's going to be an alien horror. So, there's an alien, a giant alien like the trademarked giant alien that is stalking the ship, trying to kill everyone. Put 2 jokers on that. Each joker represents a system or an encounter that you're going to have to resolve to defeat this alien horror. Every ship also has a minor crisis. 2 of diamonds, which is a security lockdown. So this makes sense. There's an alien horror terrorizing the ship. The security system has locked down, so all the doors are automatically locked, and the security system could mistake you all for aliens and open fire trying to kill you. All right? We put 1 joker on the minor crisis, and the other joker goes in the deck. When we draw a joker from the survival deck, that's going to trigger a swarm. Of Hearts. Hey, that's a good one. And you're going into the armory, and the King of Clubs. So in the armory, there are weapons. Okay, the group test in this case is a crew argument over which one of you gets to carry the working weapon.
Captain. Oh yeah. This way. 15. What is the memory of you that the captain has?
So the memory that the captain has of Elias, the security officer, is the last time the alien tried to attack the group, Elias grabbed a hold of the captain and threw him out of the room and sealed the door.
Right. And that's why he died. So, yeah, okay. All right. So, you're at 20. You want to hit?
No.
Okay. Cards back, please. We're going to have to reshuffle.
What exactly is the swarm here? It's aliens?
It's this alien horror.
It is the alien horror attacking all of us.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's still just the one alien.
Still just the one alien, but
not a lot of arms.
he's rampaging through this room.
Yeah, it's got great, enormous rubbery tentacles, smashing and everything.
So, down there to you.
Sparks are flying from the ceiling, the lights are
Dealer
flickering.
has 2 hands because everybody beat the first hand.
Red alarm blaring.
We have to reshuffle. However, when you reshuffle on a swarm, it does not affect your clock. Alright? Because swarms use a lot of cards. Not affect your clock. You don't want the clock to run out. Then you're all dead.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. So, you automatically get another card.
Well, that's a 25.
That's a 25, so you're going to take damage. You automatically get another card. You all pushed. You're going to burn another card, and you get 1 more card. Okay.
Why?
So you've all both...
Oh, because
The rising tension.
The rising tension. You've both busted. So the alien has done damage to you. You can describe what happened here.
Misjudge. Like, I'm kind of blindly running, and I kind of get clipped by one of the diagnostic beds.
Right.
And it allows it to kind of just flash me across the room, and I can go back into a thing of
Scalpels?
No, like
More little beakers.
Yeah, okay, so you're bleeding and you're banged up. Very good. Okay.